Yeah, here we are again. Finally made it. Got up here Tuesday afternoon, but boy, by the time I got here, I had elevation problems. I think they call it elevation sickness or something. I don't know what it was. Anyway, it took me about 5 hours to get that tent up. It's supposed to be 15. Work 5 minutes, and then I have to sit down for 20 or 30. So I finally got it up. I didn't get the rain fly on it yet. I'll get some shots of it in a little bit after this. So they finally lifted the fire restrictions, as you can see, but only in the sit graves. I guess Coronado's still closed and all that. So took me a little, like I said, took me a little while to get used to the altitude and all that. But there's hardly anybody here, which is a good thing. I'm right on the end of the road there. I mean, there's a lot of places to camp further away, but the road is really bad through there. I tried to get through there, but it just shook everything apart. So I'm right on the end of where the road is good still. So hardly seen anybody. There's been like maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 big rigs come in. They get about 100 yards down the road and they turn around and come back. So couple of 3 alien transport vehicles, ATVs, been through, but they've been going really, really slow, and that's a good thing. You guys might remember last year, it was terrible. They come flying through here and dust, and oh man, Alan couldn't breathe. He had to go sit inside most of the time. But so far so good. It's the first campfire that I've had. I just didn't feel like doing it in the mornings, but now I do. So it's just a little one. You know me. I don't build great big bonfires for everybody to see. So little movie quote there. I get my solar batteries hooked up. I'm having a hard time concentrating on that yet. To get 4 6-volts into 2 12s. It's easy enough, everybody can do it, but right now I'm having a little concentration problem. So I'll get them up today, and then I got to put the rain fly on the tent. It's supposed to be raining in the next couple of days. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to shoot some pictures of the camp and let you see that. And so Chris wanted to know what the camp looked like, so I guess we'll just go ahead and do that. I haven't got the stabilizer on yet, so pardon the shaky stuff. Doing the best I can. So it's kind of a mess right now. I've just been unloading things and trying to get it, straightened out and all that. So there's the thing that we put on the pickup. We put some paneling in there with a hinge. So that's it's kind of convenient. I can close it. Oops, sorry about that. Hope you didn't fall out of your chair on that one. It's convenient. I like that. Can keep stuff back there. Lock up. Had a little made a tailgate, and can lock that up. And lock the top. Pretty good deal, I guess. A little 360 here, and sorta. Coming up in the sun. I guess that's it for now. Talk to you again.